Hello students, welcome back to your class. Hope all of you are fit and healthy and ready to start again. Now we are quite used to this kind of online teaching and learning process. Let us start again. Before I start, I would like to ask you a question. Have you eaten your breakfast? I know the answer will be same for all. Yes. You have taken your breakfast. But if I ask you, what have you eaten in the breakfast? I know the answer will be different. Some of you might have taken roti sabzi or puri, paratha along with different types of vegetables or sabzi. Some of you have taken milk, bread, butter along with egg. Some of you have taken idli or sambar bara or upma or uttapam. So different kinds of food dishes. Now when again you are going to take your food, the lunch time. But will you eat the same food what you have eaten in the breakfast? I know the answer is no. And if again you are going to take food after lunch, you are going to take food in the dinner, right? And at that time also you will take some different kind of food. From this discussion, 3 points are clear. Number 1, all of us we take food. Number 2, we take food time to time. And number 3, we take different types of food. Right? So, food is essential for all of us. For all of us means all human beings and even all living organisms. You might have seen the cat, dog or the cattle, they also take food. They may take food different from us, but they are also taking food. So, food is essential for survival of living organisms. But why do we need to take food? We all need food to provide energy for our daily activities like walking, talking, sitting, standing and running, and for all the internal activities of the body like digestion, respiration, circulation and excretion. In fact, even when we are not doing any work like sleeping, our body uses energy to keep our heart and other organs working. Our body uses food as a fuel to supply energy to all these activities. Food is essential to provide energy and keep our body healthy. There are different types of foods like milk, rice, wheat, egg, chicken, pulses, butter, ghee, fruits and vegetables. Food is a basic necessity of life. It has 3 important functions. It provides energy to the body. It helps in the growth and repair of body cells. It protects the body from diseases and helps to fight against germs. So, these are the 3 basic functions of food. Next, variety of food. People in different parts of the world eat different types of food. Let us take a few examples from India. People in South India eat idli, dosa and sambar. In North India, they eat roti, dal and vegetables. And in the coastal areas, they eat fish and rice. The kind of food people eat depends on various factors like the region they live in, availability of certain foods, climate and their occupation. Hence, we find that there is a great variety of food in different parts of India. Take a minute to recall what you ate yesterday. Your list may include food like milk, fruits, vegetables, rice, roti, eggs, fish and meat. This shows that you eat different types of or variety of food in a day. Let us find out the kind of food that your friends eat. If your friend is from Tamil Nadu, idli, rice, sambar, uttapam, these are very common. If he is from Punjab, egg, roti, dal, sabzi, these are very common. If he or she is from West Bengal, fish, rice, chicken, these are very common. Now here I am going to show you something. Here I show you some food materials. These are common food dishes which we eat almost daily. For making this, we require some food materials. For making rice, we require rice grains. These are hard to touch. It is hard enough. We require water. As we boil these grains with water, we get soft rice, and this we can eat. For making pulses or dal, we require pulses. These are also type of grains. We require water, salt, turmeric, some spices, and oil or ghee. And we follow a recipe, a procedure, or what we say recipe. And as we cook like this, we get this kind of pulses or dal. These are also hard, but when it is boiled with water, it becomes soft and we can eat this. For making khichdi, we require rice grains, different types of pulses, like one pulses I have shown you. This I am showing another type of pulses. We require salt, turmeric, spices, oil or ghee. And we follow the procedure to cook this and we get this kind of khichdi. For making chapati, we require wheat flour. We can add some salt. Some of us we add, some of not. We require water. We add water to this wheat flour, make a dough, and we take some amount of this, and with the help of a rolling pin we give the shape of the chapati, and then we bake it. This procedure as we follow, we get this kind of chapati. So what I have shown you here, these are the materials which help us to make this kind of food dishes. So for making a particular food dish, we require some substances or some materials. These are called ingredients. So for making rice, we require rice grains and water. For making pulses, we require pulses, water, salt, turmeric, this all. For making khichdi, we require pulses, rice grains, water and spices. For making chapati, we require wheat flour and water, and then we follow the procedure, we get chapati. That means for making a particular type of food dish, we require some substances. These materials are called ingredients. So today we have learnt functions of food, variety of food, and also ingredients. So we started chapter 1, food, where does it come from? So today up to this much. Thank you, students.